Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to easily grab a free Popeyes promo code in just a few minutes. It's quick and simple. First, head over to easycoupon.co/Popeyes or scan the QR code on your screen with your smartphone camera to access the site. Once you're there, the first step is to enter your email address. This is important because your promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. Next, you'll be asked whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Since I'm using an Android phone, I'll select that option and click Continue. The site will now generate your promo code, and it only takes a few seconds. Before your promo code is finalized, there's one final step. You'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store to verify that you're not a bot. These apps are completely free, and you don't have to pick the same ones as me. Just choose any 2 available for download. Once the apps are installed, open and use each one for about a minute. Some might prompt you to sign up or take a quick survey, so just follow the instructions to complete the process. After that, head back to your email and refresh your inbox. Your free Popeyes promo code should be waiting for you. I'm refreshing mine now, and there it is, my promo code, ready to go. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing for more easy tips like this.